Ken found himself in the midst of separation in her company. There's a picture of Ken in Volcroft, South Carolina. In 1972, as Ira Herbert was retiring, and it was just a beautiful mix of team members standing there. Ken leaned into that. We are the greatest manufacturing team assembled anywhere in the world.
Once you join Nucor, you become part of the family.
Nucor is way more than making steel. It's about building relationships, developing a culture, being a great teammate.
It's more about unlocking what's already inside you and nurturing that.
Everything about Nucor that I've seen is setting you up for the future.
Nucor has been life-changing. I wouldn't be here without the people that have poured into me.
Thank you, Jeff. We are one team, one family, committed to one purpose, to taking care of one another. And when we do that, everything else will take care of itself.